Okay mga dre, sulbat ng problema. Dili na mapanos. Di na mapanos. Okay na sir, di na mapanos.
Di na mapanos yun.
Atong panihapon, matay, mapanos yun na ko sir eh. Magbabalong ng isa ka jisan niya. Ano na, impas. Patay, apil ko kamatay. Ako mo'y mabukbukan. So,
boy function.
ha?
Dibukan boy function.
Mo gani, mo nang okay na?
Buwan na function na rin Bart. Impat ka wala mo sa.
Oh, pagka
Gini ito mataganon.
sige, sige. Ako sa itaon eh. Ayun. Okay na.
Marami lang ka
Oo.
oras na tulog na.
Sige mga bay. Ayos, ayos. Okay sir. Kasi tinuod pangalan sir, shout out ya.
Yuni Casas.
Loni Casas, Kasibo ni. Oh, kita mi diri sa Jordan.
Right. Moving forward.
Oh, border ni. Sige, salamat. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey. Thank you for 12 15. Parking is starting. Okay. At Papa. Bisa? Oh, cari? Yes.
secret flame. burned in shame. Back and forth through all those years, but finally we both are free. I threw my baggage overboard and let it go. I cut the cord. You're all that I've been waiting for, so let's go. Tick tock, are you in or are you not? I won't block the door, but tick tock, if you are gonna take a shot, then come at me with all you got around. Just let me go. Just let me go. You think she's sweet as candy. I know you wanna be with her, but Josie got a reputation to scratch behind her. She's got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control, and then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. I know you're not to blame, and there's no shame in falling for her siren. You better get out while you can.
Malakaw kami. Prepare we. Sensor. Okay. Yung mga dre, sulbat ng problema. Dili na mapanos. Di na mapanos. Okay na sir, di na mapanos yun. Ato pa rin hapon, matay, mapanos yun lang may sirli. Babalong ng isa ka disan niya. Ano na, impas. Patay, apil ko kamatay. Ako mo'y mabukbukan. So,
boy function.
ha?
Libong camp, boy function.
Mo gani, mo nang okay na.
Bart, mo na iba function to ni Robert. Impact yung lang usa.
Oh, pagka
Unit ng Putaganon.
sige, sige. Ako sa itaon eh. Ayun. Okay na. Oo. Sige mga bay. Ayos, ayos. Sigurado na sir, sigurado na sir kayo mana. Tingnan nato. So, MCP 4.2. Okay na.